L'URSA Mini est disponible la semaine prochaine. Stuart nous détaille toutes les nouveautés de cette caméra par rapport à ce qui avait été annoncé au NAB.
Hi, I'm Stuart from Blackmagic Design. I'd like to show you some of the new things here at IBC 2015. Okay, now let me show you the new URSA Mini which we announced at NAB. Obviously this is a camera that attracted a lot of attention at the show. You know, we've been asked questions about when the delivery is going to happen. The exciting news is that the URSA Mini 4K version will actually start shipping next week. Now, to give you a few reasons as to why the delay has happened, it's actually for a positive reason. We took a lot of feedback from the show at NAB and we started to incorporate a few new things to the camera to really enhance its capability. The first thing is that we've now put a SDI input on the camera, which means that if you connect this to a ATEM switcher, you can now actually take a program feed from the ATEM switcher into the camera. Now on the side of the camera, if I turn this just to the side, what you'll see is there's a program button there. What that means is you can actually get a feed from the program feed from the ATEM and actually display that on the viewfinder of the camera and on the monitor on the side of the camera, and also get your tally information there as well. Now if you're using the viewfinder, when your camera is in record and has been selected by that ATEM switcher, the record light will actually display on the front of the viewfinder so that your talent is aware that the camera is live. Now when we decided to make an SDI input, obviously that opened the door for questions in relation to the broadcast world and how this camera would interact with broadcast lenses. So we decided to go ahead and make the B4 lens mount for the URSA Mini PL. Now it's only for the URSA Mini PL, it's not for the EF version, but what this allows you to do is to unscrew 6 screws on the front turret, and remove the actual connection of the PL mount and replace that with this €275 B4 adapter. Now it's not only an adapter that changes the physical lens mount, it also has optics in there as well that allow for you to get rid of all of the camera aberration, which is the distortion on what you might find by exposing the full level of the sensor to a B4 lens. Now on the side of the camera, on the other side, you'll see that there is a lens control on there. That allows you to power any B4 lens, so any of the functionality on the B4 lens, such as the zoom, and also things like the iris control, and also as well things like focus, can all be controlled and powered directly through the actual camera. So we're excited to see this go out to our customers next week. The plan is that it'll start ramping up in terms of delivery, you know, hopefully the 4K, 4.6K version will be following probably in around about 4 weeks.